Welcome everybody, vsT here at Speedtest. Welcome to the channel. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the Pixel 6. Alright, speed test video. I'm gonna set the scene a bit. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do and then I'm gonna do it. And of course, at the end, we're gonna do a short recap. So first guys, setting the scene. I have here the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Exynos 2200 version. Okay, this is not the Snapdragon, it's the Exynos one. And here I have the Google Pixel 6 version, which is, yeah, it's the Tensor version, right? They don't have anything else. I used to call this phone the brother to this phone from another mother because of the fact that Samsung is producing the Tensor chipset and also the modem inside is Samsung. There are a lot of Samsung things inside the Pixel phone and there are also a lot of Google things inside the Samsung phone, so yeah. Allow me to set the scene. The Samsung S22 Ultra phone will run on the WQHD resolution and it will also run on the 120 Hz. This phone can only do FHD and it will run on the 90 Hz, which is the smooth display, okay? And why I decided to do so, because this is really like the best that you can get from those phones, and this is why I wanted to do a speed test between those phones the way I use them in the real world, right? So I have all my apps here that I want to show to you. I have here also my apps. The first thing I'm going to do some social app testing like the Snapchat, the TikTok, the Instagram, you know, loading the camera, taking some photos and etc. Then we're going to do the Spotify speed test. Then I'll load some games for you like the Ashpalt and the Brawl stars and also Roblox. Then I'm going to do a rendering speed, see which phone is going to render the exact same video right first. Then I'm going to test of course the Google applications like Chrome and YouTube at my Google feed. Then I'm going to do also a camera test, camera speed test, opening, closing, the notification speed test. I'm going to go inside the settings, see home screen settings and etc. Recent apps also. In the end we're going to see which phone will keep the apps inside the RAM and which phone will reload applications, and that's going to be about this. But the first thing we always start is with powering off the phones and just starting them fresh. So let me do this now. We're gonna start with the boot test. So I am going to power off both phones, okay? And then I am going to start them, right? So the idea really is to see which phone is going to boot first. Please also note that the Samsung S22 Ultra runs on One UI 4.1, which is Android 12, and here we have already Android 13, okay? So this might have some impact, who knows? Anyway, guys, let's now boot those phones. 3, 2, 1, okay? Okay, oops. The buzz I've heard from the Pixel phone was the first, so I think the Pixel 6 has a bit of an edge here, but let's wait and see. Oh, okay, yeah, this was really quick. This was really quick. The Pixel 6 phone using Android 13 boot times is really incredible fast, like really very fast. All right, it's time to see all the recent apps and close those apps, okay? So I'm just going to, you see, I really have that many. So clearing here, one more check. All right, no recent apps on both phones. First thing I'm gonna start is Snapchat. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this time the S22 Ultra was quicker. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think the Pixel 6 definitely was loading quicker than the S22 Ultra. Let's do one more test. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, definitely here the Pixel 6 having an edge. All right, guys, the next app we're gonna test is Instagram in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Yep. I think here the Pixel as well, so let's just see browsing speed. Okay, you need to know this one is running on 120 Hz, this one on 90 Hz, but honestly they both look the same. All right, now let's go to the left where we can see the camera. Yep, this one definitely is quicker, it's really weird. Okay, let me just go outside. Okay, I'm just going to load this one more time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me just browse a bit. Let's just go and watch the TV right now. Okay, here as well. Okay, go back to home. Let's now go and see the camera again. Yeah, definitely the Pixel 6 is having an edge here. Next social app is TikTok in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this, TikTok. Okay, yeah. I think that the S22 was quicker here. All right, guys, now let's see the camera in 3, 2, 1. Jesus, the Pixel is destroying the Samsung. Let's check the camera one more time. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Definitely, guys, the Pixel is having here an advantage. Very, very interesting. Now we are done with the social apps. Now let's test Spotify. 3, 2, 1, Spotify. Okay, yep. S22 Ultra was definitely quicker. Okay, I'm just going to close it and just do this one more time. The apps are right now already open. You can just see all the applications, guys, I opened before are in the RAM. So let me just do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, let's do this. Yeah, okay. Once they're in the RAM, it was the same. Now we're getting to the more exciting part, the games. Ashpalt 9 in 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Ooh. Game Loft logo first. Oh, so this screen was first here on the Pixel. This Tensor chip, right? Probably the most underrated chip in a mobile phone, guys. At the end, it might turn out that the Tensor is not so bad at all. But okay, let's see who's gonna get to the next screen, and the next screen here, the winner. All right, I think that's clear. The next application we want to test is Brawl Stars in 3, 2, 1, Brawl Stars. Yep, loading here a little quicker. Very interesting. Who is gonna get first? It was very close, but I think still the Pixel was quicker. All right, now let's test the Roblox in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Damn, the Pixel 6 consistently loading the logos faster, and also the game itself. The game itself here on the Pixel 6 loaded faster, quicker than on the S22 Ultra. And by the way, you know, I love Roblox because scrolling here is just awful. And, you know, scrolling on the Pixel is also awful. So at least, you know, like both phones just do like this. Enough games, guys. Now let's do some rendering speed with CapCut. Right, I already created a project and I'm using the very exact same video. All right. Last time when I did the speed test, I was rendering on 1080p. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna do a 2K, 4K, 60 FPS, and I'm gonna do the same on my S22 Ultra. It's very important to make sure that the estimated file size is the same, because there was a bug with this application, and I think that, yeah, this really plays a big role. But okay, right now it's absolutely equal. So when I hit this arrow here, the rendering will start in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Oh, okay. I managed to do so. The Tensor chip is blowing the Exynos away. Is this really the reality? What I'm seeing on the screen, absolutely crazy. 100% on the Pixel, really blowing away the Exynos. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Really, Tensor just killed the Exynos on the rendering test. But guys, it is what it is. It's a speed test, right? So yeah, what you see on the screen is really the way I experience this. So no cuts here, that's the real thing. Now let's check some Google Apps. I'm gonna go to the left and access my Google feed in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yep, okay. I would say it's about the same, okay? Probably just one more time. Let me just do this one more time so that we're sure. In 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Yeah, absolutely the same, okay. Let's open Google Chrome right now in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yep, absolutely the same. Now I'm going to open CNN, okay, because it's a huge site. CNN. Right, in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yep, okay, good. I think this one definitely was quicker. That's reality. The next thing I'm going to open is YouTube in 3, 2, 1. YouTube. Yep, S22 the winner here, clear winner. Now let's open the Play Store in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yes, I think the Pixel was again taking the lead here. And now we are entering the camera speed test, which I think is always very thrilling, given the fact that Samsung has a lot of history with the camera UI lagging. So let's open the camera right in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Oh, this one here was the first, but okay, you know, it loaded the back camera. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna close the camera, okay? Close it here as well. Let's try to start the camera again so that I even out the conditions in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yeah, definitely this. Definitely this, guys. Now let me just take some pictures, okay? 1x. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Pictures taking, I think, about the same. Let's now switch through the modes. Let's go to video. Okay, about the same. Let's now go back to the camera. Yep, pixel quicker. Let me just do this one more time, switching lenses. Definitely the pixel is quicker, guys. Switching lenses again. Pixel quicker. Let me just take some pictures. Okay, let me now switch the lenses again. Okay, I think the pixel UI, yes. I think the camera UI from the pixel is just faster and quicker. Let me just open the camera one more time. I'm gonna close the camera, right, to avoid any speculations. Camera closed, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Yes, I think, okay. I think, guys, it's clear. It is absolutely clear. Let me just now go back to the front camera in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, okay, I think you can see. The Pixel is using Google Camera and it is what it is. Now let's go and check the home settings. I'm just gonna hold the finger like this. Okay, about the same. One more time. Yep. Okay, yeah, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm talking about? These micro stutters driving me crazy on the Samsung. One more time. Jesus. Okay. And now, guys, let's go to the recent apps. Yeah, about the same, I'll guess. Now, the interesting part is, let me just go inside some of the games and see if they are going to reload. So let's just go here in Ashpalt. Yes, the pixel loading. Oh, here, I think this one was definitely slower. This is really, really strange. I don't want to say embarrassing, but nevertheless, it's a bit strange, okay? Now, let me just go again back into the recent apps, and let's now open Brawl Star. Where is Brawl Star? Let me just find Brawl Star here. Okay, Brawl Star. Let's see what will happen, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Yep, this logo came first. Who's gonna connect first? Okay, I think a draw here. Interesting results so far. Now let's check the notifications in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yeah, okay. I would say about the same. I would say about the same. So we tested the apps reloading, we tested the recent menu and notifications, and guys, now we are about to end the video. But please don't forget to comment on the video. Let me know what you think. I really believe that the Pixel was quicker than the S22 Ultra in probably most of the scenarios, right? So in this speed test, the Pixel 6 definitely the winner. What a day for the S22 Ultra, who managed to defeat the S21 Ultra just, you know, like by very tiny result. Now I think dethroned by the Pixel 6. Again, his brother from another mother. So guys, please, you and your family stay safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and VST over and bye.